LEICA SL, the mirrorless professional system from LEICA. So many people ask me so many questions about this system. Is it really professional? Does it shoot really good video? Can we really rely on it? How is the image quality? So many people ask me so many questions about the system because they are not sure if it sits up to standards or not. And this is the video. I'm gonna answer all your questions after I introduce myself. Ciao everybody, my name is Ramsey Spencer. I'm a fashion editorial and an advertising photographer, and I chose the SL system because this system gives me exactly what I want. I love this system so much that it delivers exactly my passion, from professional point of view and a personal point of view. Let me walk you through the system quickly, and then I will tell you a little bit about my experience with the system itself. So you can see it's very minimalistic design, beautifully designed camera. You have like just a piece of art actually. You have the grip attached to it, of course. Let me take the grip off just for you to see it without the grip. So you can see how beautiful it's like made. And this is the grip. You have two dials here. You can assign it to whatever you want. You have the shutter speed, you have the shutter button. You can attach the battery here, and you have also another battery here. So you are good to go, and you can cover yourself for the day. And there's also here a joystick, left, right, up, down, and you have in the middle you can press it for any selection you need. You have here a full touch screen, 4 buttons, also customizable for whatever assignment you want, and you can press one more second and you have another assignment. So in total you have 8, and you have a joystick here. You have the dials. You can assign it to whatever you want, whether you want the speed, the shutter speed, or the aperture, vice versa. You have 2 buttons here, also customizable, one for the video and for whatever you want. Also you have another button here. And you have an LCD here, which is, it shows you how much memory you have left, and the battery indicator, and what your settings are. You have here the flash sync. You have the headphone and the microphone jack when you do videos. You have a full HDMI out for your videos and also your photos if you like. And you have a USB 3.0 for your computer. When you take your photos, you can just sync it right away to the computer, so it will always threaten there. The camera itself is very minimalistic design, beautifully done. You can see I'm attached to it the 24-90 lens. There is a lot of range lenses for this thing, which is the 16-35, and you have the primes, which is 35, 50, 75, and you have the 90. And of course you can attach the M mount lens, the M lenses with the M mount. You can attach the S lenses. You can also attach the S cinematic lenses, which is so amazing. The cinematic lenses from Leica, it's something about it, something so unique. It's like a character there, because you know they shoot movies with that lenses, and they are superb quality. So when you attach it to this body alone, it's amazing. Talking about the body, it's 24 megapixel CMOS sensor. It's just the right amount of megapixels. You don't need a lot of. It's not the race of megapixels. I'm so happy when I shoot my models and they're walking with their portfolio, the image quality is superb. I'm so happy when I see my photos on the agency's websites and the clients. It's so beautiful. And I'm so happy when I see my advertising campaigns in the magazines and my work on the galleries. So you can see it's just the right amount that it gives and delivers the quality that you need. Am I happy about the system? I'm absolutely loving the system. I'm not reviewing this unit. This is my camera, and I use it as my daily job because I'm a real fashion photographer. I shoot almost constantly with like fashion advertisings. I shoot campaigns and lifestyle. I took this for my fashion shows, and it's amazing. You know, when the models walk towards you, you need a really fast autofocus system, and this delivers. It's beautifully done. Like, I never miss a shot. I'm happy about it. It's an eye-catching as well. You can see it's like not a normal camera. And this is when you really make a really good decision about your investment and if you did the right decision or not. And believe me, I'm passing it from a photographer, absolutely to a photographer, that if you really wanted to invest in a good system, give it a shot. Just go to the Leica store, and I think they're making a demo for a test for the SL, and you can see how amazing the image quality is. It's just something about the quality, it just speaks to you. The lens and the body speak together so well without any problem. Now there is an application from Leica for the system itself, which is called the Leica app. So in case you want to do videos, the video of this body, it's super amazing. It's real 4K, not just like, you know, below the 4K, the 3800 pixels, I think. This is real 4K, like 4100 pixels, I think. So if you want to attach this to a tripod and you want to control it from your application, from the Leica app, you can do it. You can do the record, you can do the stop and record, you can do the whole menu here. So basically you really have almost all the menu in the application as controllable. If you want to take a really awkward shot that you cannot really see what you're doing, or you need to put it in one place and you need to cut it from another, with the application you can do it, you can sync it together. You need to change the autofocus mode, you can do a lot of things, because almost all the basic menu from the camera itself, you can find it in the application. Am I happy about the whole thing after all this experience with the Leica SL? Absolutely. Go and give it a shot, because you're really gonna love it. This is a beautiful, joyful camera. Even the menu itself is very minimalistic. They give you the right amount of everything for you to focus on your photography. There's not a lot of buttons. They are not disturbing you so much with all these keys and assignment that you don't need. You're a photographer. You need to think of your photography, to focus on the set, and just to take the shot after you do your few clicks around. You know, I did a video about the Leica itself, like the company itself, that they are a very passionate company, that they're delivering for passionate photographers and to put their image into action. And this is when it comes to the Leica SL. It's very well thought camera, and I love this camera so much. And with the combination of the great lenses out there for this body, it's superb. I really advise everybody just to go and try this camera if you're thinking to jump to the mirrorless system, because this is the right decision to make. It's just everything right and well thought of, and you can see the quality is there, and the most important thing, the image quality is there, from video wise to photography wise. Go ahead, try it out and enjoy it, and you will thank me later. Thank you so much for everybody watching this video, and if you have a different questions, please let me know. I covered, I think, everything. And if you just like to go and see my work and see what I could deliver with this camera, check my websites at ramsino.com and expertotv.com. I will link it down below. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Ciao, ciao.